How to create ChatGPT account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can sign up on ChatGPT. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you can either open up the ChatGPT application if you already have installed it in your device, or you can simply open up a browser and then search for ChatGPT and get into the website. So for now, we will just open up the application. After you open it up, if you navigate to the top right corner, there is sign up button, tap on it. Here again, tap on sign up. You will land on different page. Here you can either create your account with your Google account, your Microsoft account, or your Apple account. If you want to continue with that, just select one from there. If not, you can enter your email address. Then tap on continue. Now you have to create a password for your account. So make sure to create your password with at least 12 characters. Once done, tap on continue. Now you have to verify your email. You have received an email sent to your account, so you have to open up Gmail in your device and make sure that you're logged in with the same account. After that, go to your inbox, and here I have an email from ChatGPT. So from here, I can verify my account. Tap on verify email address. Now, once your email address is verified, you have to add further information about you. Here, type in your first name and your last name. Under that, provide your birthday from here. Then tap on continue. And with that, we have created an account in ChatGPT and logged in automatically. So that's how we can sign up on ChatGPT, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.